Yo, this is my tutorial on how to do a Streamlabs OBS transparent background using prprlive. So how we begin is we add a source and we click the video capture device. I already have one, so I'm going to add another one. At the source, and then you click prpr virtual live camera. Let me make this smaller. So you might not have it, like you can't see it as an option. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back to prprlive, and then you're gonna go click video streaming. Turn on streaming, install the virtual camera, and then you should start seeing it. You might have to close and reopen it, but you should be able to see it after. Next, what you're gonna do, it's probably gonna look like this. You're gonna disable your animation background, and then you're gonna go back to video streaming, and then you can select the color that's best as a green screen for your character. And then after that, you just right click the video capture device, click filters, click the plus sign, and then find color key. You can choose from the colors here, but I'm going to choose a custom color and select the background, and it should look pretty nice right now. You could use smoothness and similarity to, adjust it a little, make it look better. And then there we go. You have a nice crisp character. There's some residue, but it's better than nothing. And it doesn't look all that bad. Before you click off on this video, I'd like to shout out my Twitch and my Discord. I'm very new to Twitch and content creation in general, and I'd love to have new friends along the way. Maybe do collabs, just play some games together, all that shebang. Yeah, thank you for watching.